everyone, I'm going to play a song on my flute today. Let's see how good or bad I do. I've been out of practice for a long time, and I haven't done a lot of practicing these days. I've been so busy with my sewing, and yeah, I thought I'd play, a book and a song from this one called 24 Progressive Duets for Two Flutes by Francois Devienne. Devienne, I think that's how you pronounce it. Put our flutes together. Want to play along? If you have this book, let's see. I'm going to play the very first song on this page. This is my new bedroom, and yeah, I've been playing flute over 20 years, and today I want to. Maybe this is the start of playing one song once a week, and we'll see how it goes. This one is page 1, 24 progressive duets for two flutes. There's two repeat signs. We have a C, B, C, D as the first four notes. E, D, E, F, G, 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 rest, rest, F, D, F, E, F, G, E, C, rest, and so forth. Let's see if we can play it. That's the end of that song. There's only one page out of this one. So if you're curious to know, there we played that song. And it came from 24 Progressive Duets by Francois Devienne. So I hope this is the start of some series of the videos of me playing one song. As we get better, we'll try to find some more harder songs. Like I said, I have to ease back into it because I've not been playing any songs in a very long time. That's why my breath was probably a little bit uneven because, you have to learn how to breath control, breathe in between the notes, and gotta learn how to slur and staccato. If you can sing it, you can play it. For the sharps, I'll show you a sharp. Here's a I don't know if you can see that, but right there's a sharp where I'm pointing to. Right there's an F sharp. If you see the tic-tac-toe, that means you raise it up a half a step. So you play the sharp. In this one, there's only one sharp note, and that's F sharp. F sharp, we'll review it. Here's your F natural. You have F, all fingers down, thumb key down. You put this finger to this key. This is F sharp, F natural, F sharp. You put these two up. This is the end of the key. This is your foot. Here's your other notes. You have F sharp right here. I'll play the F natural. F sharp. And there you have it. Yeah, that's natural, F sharp. Remember, if you want to tune your flute, you pull out. With the flat, you push in. So for the flute, you pull out, flat, you push in. Out, in, out, in. And that's it. I'm going to only do one song for today, and we'll see how next week goes. Bye, everybody. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video and, share it. Alright, bye.